There is a lot of noise online about making money with artificial intelligence. Most of it involves generic advice like writing basic blog posts or posting AI images. But if you want to build a genuine, highly profitable remote business, you need to offer high-value technical services. Today, we are looking at 5 highly practical business ideas you can start from anywhere in the world, powered by a basic $20 monthly Claude subscription. Each idea is broken down into a concrete, step-by-step process. Stick around for idea number 3, because it uses Claude's advanced coding capabilities to build custom software solutions that clients will pay premium rates for. Let's start with our first high-value service. Idea 1, B2B lead generation and list building. Businesses pay hundreds of dollars for clean, targeted lists of potential clients. You can use Claude to build and clean these lists. Step 1, feed Claude a detailed description of your client's ideal customer profile and ask it to write advanced Google search queries and operators to find these specific companies. Step 2, copy the raw, unformatted directory data or company contact pages you find, paste them into Claude, and instruct it to extract, clean, and format the data into a perfect structured table with names, websites, and emails. Step 3, ask Claude to write hyper-personalized cold outreach templates tailored to each company's specific angle. You export the clean data to a CSV file and deliver a premium lead list. Effort rating, medium. Reward rating, high. This leads us to our second service. Idea 2, e-commerce listing audits and optimization. Many Shopify and Amazon sellers have great products, but terrible descriptions that fail to rank in search engines. Step 1, copy and paste 50 raw customer reviews and competitor product descriptions into Claude. Ask Claude to identify the exact emotional pain points, buying triggers, and frequently asked questions. Step 2, instruct Claude to extract high-traffic keywords from the competitor data. Step 3, have Claude write a fully optimized product title, bullet points, and a compelling description structured to target those exact customer pain points and keywords. You deliver a comprehensive SEO makeover. Effort rating, low to medium. Reward rating, medium to high. Idea 3 is our highest paying technical service. Idea 3, Google Sheets workflow automation. Many small businesses waste hours on repetitive manual data entry because they don't know how to code. Step 1, identify a client's bottleneck, such as manually sending emails when a spreadsheet row is updated. Step 2, describe the problem to Claude and ask it to write a custom Google Apps script. Claude's coding capability is exceptional. It will write the clean JavaScript code and provide a step-by-step guide on how to install it. Step 3, set up the automated trigger inside the client's Google Sheet, test it, and deliver a fully automated workflow. Effort rating, medium. Reward rating, high. Idea 4 moves into the profitable e-learning sector. Idea 4, course curriculum and material design. Creators want to launch online courses, but struggle to structure their knowledge into lesson plans. Step 1, have the creator send you their raw notes, transcripts, or past videos. Paste this raw material into Claude. Step 2, instruct Claude to organize the information into a logical, multi-week curriculum, complete with module objectives, lecture outlines, and lesson summaries. Step 3, ask Claude to generate supporting materials, including multiple choice quizzes, worksheets, and study guides based on the lessons. You package these into elegant PDFs and deliver a complete course structure. Effort rating, medium. Reward rating, high. Our final idea is perfect for busy founders. Idea 5, premium newsletter and voice ghostwriting. Busy executives want to write weekly newsletters to build their personal brands, but lack the time. Step 1, paste 5 past articles or posts written by the client into Claude. Ask Claude to analyze their sentence structure, vocabulary, and tone to create a reusable style guide. Step 2, input the client's simple, bullet-pointed thoughts for the week into Claude, along with the style guide. Step 3, have Claude draft a highly engaging, professional newsletter that sounds exactly like edit, polish, and deliver. Effort rating, low. Reward rating, medium-high. 5 practical, highly technical businesses you can run using a single $20 tool. If this guide cut through the AI noise and gave you real, actionable inspiration, do me a favor and hit that like button. And to make sure you never miss another practical guide to mastering your goals, subscribe to Another How-To Guru. Let me know in the comments, which of these 5 side hustles are you going to try first? Happy hunting, and as always, keep building.